Yo, what's up, brother and sister? New haircut, bro. Yes, new haircut. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah, this cool buzz cut haircut. Yes. Yes, brother and sister. Today is November 14, 2025. And this is my journey of adventure in my life. Today is, here, my new haircut. Yep, that's all. Yes, that's all. Goodbye. See you soon to my next videos.